assassin mine?
Oh no.
Oh, what mine are you talking about? That mine? Wait a minute, I got your back.
I tapped one. I don't get it. There's glowstone all in here. How are they getting in?
Of course, it's spawning in my mine. I mean, my old condemned house. And it's spawning in the back of that house, back there. And the pressure plate opens the door. Then they turn and go through the door. I should become Sherlock Holmes.
Here's the map.
That road looks like half of that looks like Africa. It's the shape of it. I'm gonna get a sword. Yeah, I ain't got no sword.
Come on.
I'm going in sword list. Yep, I'm going in sword list. Wait, I'm just clapping sword. Damn. 50 feet. Wow.
Back.
You could refuge in that house.
Oh, it was because of the creeper. I all of a sudden remembered. I never even went that way.
I knew you did. I knew you were somewhere around my crap.
I was somewhere near the smell because I found pumpkins.
Yeah, that's where I left. So you were somewhere near your kingdom. Remember, you were going near your kingdom and left? What the? I gotta stop losing hearts.
They are going to kick your ass. I can't get down there quick enough. Best case scenario, I can hit one of them, turn around. Alright, come on.
You don't go and I'll catch up later.
Don't you have a house around here? Yeah, you can, that's not gonna help you.
Helps me. I don't know about you. We start the journey in the morning. Let's go to the cupcake house. They all have houses. I mean, beds. But don't go into the big house. That doesn't have a bed. You might die in there.
Die?
Yeah.
Oh,
Has no
if I...
light. You got lucky. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, let me choose up the sword. Ah, crap. I gotta go to the meat place, the food place.
You have to get back to the garden and stock up.
That was good.
10 loaves of bread just wasn't enough for me.
Like the town road. It's new, isn't it? Got that way after you left. Oh yes, the garden. Well, you get the bread, and I'll plant more. Whoa! Oh. That was me. I know where a crafting table is. Oh yeah. Also, if you're trying to plant, here's a hoe. Yeah, just fall off the edge right there.
Get back, come on.
But I know where Craft Table is.
Just gonna go to the snowy area and get the darn diamond.
I did that for a good reason. I need a sword.
So I need
Wait, I don't need a sword. I had a cross. I had a
whoa,
bow all this time.
whoa.
Wait, when you're pulling that sheep, you're just gonna. Oh yeah, you don't have to kill it anymore.
Oh, shit.
Can you just stop so I can get a sword? Please?
He's gonna kill you.
Not on my town. Okay, now we should kill him. That was mine. Now, can we stop to get a sword now?
Stop to get a dang sword. Carry a crafting table on you.
Hey, I have a map.
He's not gonna hurt you. You can stop to get a sword. I'm gonna stop to get.
And this house is all the way back there. No, we'll do this your way. Why does it go on the way? Ah, I took my crafting table. You're breaking my crafting table with your crafting table.
Okay, it was somewhere near this snowy area.
I just should have made some bread back there.
I did.
Oh. I have a lot of meat.
The tiger-looking area. Yeah, I fell down into the mine.
You fell. So you found it by accident? I wouldn't do that.
I didn't dig it. For that much.
Did you like fall down into it by accident, or did you just?
Yeah, this wasn't it. Look, I'm not really sure about this whole
Yeah, man.
thing.
Look at that. All right. I hope we can find this thing at nighttime and get back.
Listen first to
I hope we can find this thing before nighttime and get back. Get your castle still in the map. And that's what thick paper. Look at that. It's thick. If your castle is still in the map.
naturally, it's huge. Yours is on the map.
The game made that, not as part of the map. That doesn't count. You should have went back to your castle and got that mushroom stew.
You had mushroom
Oh,
stew.
you do. It doesn't matter anyway. It's not nearly as good as bread. Plus, you have a bunch of cookies, right?
Those at the containment center.
Who leaves something sweet and good at a containment center?
You.
It's like dropping off a cake at a jail with the prisoners.